The slow bull buying of ETFs is still on its way. Today, let's talk about why Ethereum is moving independently from the market. Will it keep going up? Will the unlocking and selling pressure on Ethereum cause a crash? A lot of people see price fluctuations and immediately start panicking about unstaking, as if Ethereum will crash the moment unstaking happens. But is that really the case? Today, I'll break down Ethereum's key resistance levels for you from 3 perspectives. Why is Ethereum rising, and will it continue to rise? Let's move on to the first layer. From July until now, Ethereum's unstaking has been at full capacity every day, with 870,000 Ethereum queued up. Doesn't that sound scary? But did you know? Just last week, treasury companies bought over 530,000 Ethereum, directly absorbing more than half of the unstaked tokens. In other words, while the unstaking may seem intimidating, in reality, it doesn't shake the market at all. More importantly, Ethereum's trading against BTC has broken through a key resistance level, rising above 0.042 BTC, an upward trend we haven't seen in weeks. Layer 2. Where does the demand for buying Ethereum come from? The answer is what treasury companies have previously referred to as coin hoarding stocks. People used to think of MicroStrategy hoarding Bitcoin, but now there's a new story. Companies like benhind, Sparklink, and GameSquare are using Ethereum as their primary reserve asset. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum isn't just something you hold on to. It can actually be staked, used in DeFi, and you can earn a 3 to 5% annual interest through POS. These treasury companies use equity financing to buy Ethereum, which carries less risk than issuing debt. As a result, these treasury companies have created a flywheel. They buy Ethereum, their stock price goes up, they raise more funds, and then buy even more Ethereum. So today you'll notice that in the past, treasury companies were synonymous with Bitcoin, but now Ethereum has also become part of their holdings. On the third level, aside from treasury companies, what else contributes to Ethereum's slow bull logic? It's the ETF. Ethereum ETFs have seen net inflows for 14 consecutive weeks. In just these 14 weeks, the market has bought $19.2 billion worth of Ethereum, which means 5% of the circulating supply has been locked up, and ETFs are a slow bull buying force. Unlike whales who make big moves and dump the market, ETFs steadily buy every week, continuously increasing their holdings. To give you a comparative idea of what an ETF is, let me explain. Currently, gold ETFs amount to $386 billion. Bitcoin ETFs are at $179.5 billion, while Ethereum ETFs are only at $32.6 billion. So you see, the panic over unstaking has been absorbed by the demand from treasury companies, and these companies are accelerating their flywheel, while the slow bull buying from ETFs is still on its way. This is the real reason why Ethereum is experiencing its own independent market trend. So I believe that in this kind of situation, the story of Ethereum is far from over.